Oh.
But that's the whole point of races, Mom.
Loading boats up. Yeah, well they did. They're doing their job.
Boat.
One singular duck.
No, two singular water. It's real
Go
shallow.
down. Go down there. You're crazy.
Mom, if a spider comes at me, don't worry. I'm not getting bitten. I'm just running.
Yeah.
My biggest fear is spiders.
She made it.
Oh, there's another one. Oh, it's stuck on me.
Reeling a boat in.
I'll put my feet in.
Socks off.
Mom, this is so warm.
Because it's shallow water and the sun beams on it. A bottle in the water. People are so rude. Look at the ducks. You hear them? Put that down. You should have threw it out of the water. Come on. Let's get your stuff on and come up here.
No.
Yes. I can't reach him. Just hold him. Then you're going to be over there by yourself the whole time.
I changed my mind. There's big fishies under there.
Yep, there's big fish under there. Boat's going out. Big sailboat out there.
Look at the duckies. The baby duckies.
I know. They don't even carry the boat by them.
Oh, look at
On a dock all by itself.
that's here.
You can go out to the end of the dock here, or you can go off right here.
Mom, what if there's glass down here?
There's not. Lake Erie.
This water's ugly.
Getting our glass.
Mom, look what I found.
What is it?
I don't know. What is it?
Looks like a fish scale. Where's your pieces?
In your sock.
Oh my god. She put my pieces in her sock. Her pieces. What?
Look at the beach glass I just found.
That is not beach glass.
Yeah, I feel like beach glass, Mom.
No, it's not.
It has glass. It's
Look at our beach glass we found.
combined together.
We didn't look too long. We could have got a lot more, but
Definitely nice.
can you guys see the color?
And we're off to our next destination.
Sing it. Frontier Park.
Yeah, we're about to listen to Adele. Mom, how do you spell Adele?
Frontier Park area. People on their bikes, riding bikes and stuff. Nice houses.
You die, you die, you die.
Auto Express Kia, where you'll get an all-wheel drive Kia Sportage LX Hybrid for just $349 a month.
Made it.
We're going down the path. Maybe we find colored rocks because last time we found a whole pile and we were collecting them because they were scattered all over the place and we found a lot. They were so cool too.
I don't know if we'll find it this time.
Hey. We're gonna maybe another day, maybe we'll color rocks and bring them down here to hide them.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe another
They say the names on the trees of what they are.
pin oak.
Another pin oak.
Oh, look at the dogs.
Yeah.
Hey. Look at my chips. They're the best. Doritos.
What is this little tree here? It's a white Cascade crabapple. Mm-hmm.
Ma, do you want a pin open?
And then a Royal Raindrop crabapple. Oh, that's cool.
Look at the
Little
bird.
Oh, he yelled at us.
I'm sorry.
Last time a chipmunk ran in front of me and Titi.
Hey y'all, so I know you hear us talking, but that's okay. This is the best track ever because it's one big hill. If you want, you can run down it and get your exercise. I'm eating healthy today. I'm eating healthy.
Well, the water is healthy.
I ate a peach before I came,
Look at
before
all
you
this.
got me.
And here's so far what we walked down.
Not a lot.
Like they even have a spot for you to sit and just look at nature. I'm gonna go sit there just to see how it feels.
I'm gonna take a picture of me. There's a red and black tiny spider.
In loving memory of Skeeter Mark Dizzle, you are forever in our hearts. Oh yeah.
What's the in loving memory of?
Some person that passed away.
Did they die right here?
Ava. No. Eastern Cottonwood. Oh wow.
Don't say what this tree is.
Yeah, that tree's a nothing. Where do we want to go?
I thought it was shade.
Yeah, I never went this way before. Ever.
Nice adventure.
Oh, Ava, this leads to the highway.
Oh, look at that. Look at all this.
I know, I see it. What's down here, though?
Let's go the other way.
Oh, the creek is down here.
Oh, never mind. Let's go.
It's kind of wet, so be careful. Oh, this is cool. Look, y'all. There's a bridge.
I don't see no fishies.
I do. Well,
Where?
you hear the birds like crazy. So nice. So pretty over here. To go out. I feel like I'm in a jungle. I love that feeling. I mean, if we kept walking that way like Ava wanted to, we'd end up on Bayfront, like on the highway. But I don't want to go that way. If I end up on the highway, I'm going to go the other way. Willow tree. It's an odd looking willow tree. Black willow. What's
There's
this
a
say?
difference between willow trees.
Wetland. What is the wetland? Why create, protect them? Well, that's cool.
Black willow.
Yep.
No, remember last time I came, you got a picture of me back here.
Yeah. Oh, there's water. So pretty over here.
There's the creek we were at. Oh, this is the last place that we came to. We found a whole bunch of rocks.
Yeah, remember that? With the kids. What was this thing they made out of, like,
Car pieces, it looked like.
a lot of different pieces of metal. I think it's a statue. It's cool.
I wonder what they're growing over here.
What is? I think like a little garden area. Baby pine cones. Aww. Move. Look at the baby chipmunk on the black thing.
Hi.
Yeah, don't say hi. I got bit by one when I was little. Look
Come on,
how
go
cute
do
he is. Just leave him alone. He's up here. In. More. They made one out of like those cans, like a fish of some sort, I think. And then that sculpture. It's pretty cool though.
I heard you were trying to save it from a snake and then it bit you.
No, I was trying to save it from their cat. I wasn't trying to save nothing from the snake. My brother threw a snake at me. What is this tree?
Canada red
Choke cherry.
cherry.
We're gonna turn and go this way. There's a little path through here, I think. Let me see. Oh, not yet. It's up here somewhere, I think. Got little rust spots everywhere. It's cool. What is this tree? Serviceberry. Never heard of that in my life. Got the little railings. Could play soccer and stuff here.
No, we should turn Nikki into a service.
Gold Glory Dogwood. It's cool. People are going on that path. That's the path I wanted to go down. What? Leonard Meso Magnolia?
Okay, people don't care about trees.
Yes, they do. There's a path we could go down.
They only care about what I'm doing.
Girl, no. There's that path we walked down. There's a creek down there, but there's a family, so
You don't want to bother them.
yeah, I'm gonna go down.
My one trip.
No thanks. River birch. The heck? Skinny old tree.
Mom,
We could keep going straight.
I'm the only one they want to see on this YouTube channel.
Girl,
They only want
there's
to see
this
me.
way. Oh, here's a path down here too.
They
Another
don't care about the trees.
tulip tree.
They
Here's
care
another
about what I'm
path.
doing.
Girl, nobody cares about what you're doing.
Oh, there's
Another family. Creek. That's so cute. You can get a cross if you wanted.
I'm going to rock.
Now we're on this little path that's closer to the water, but then they had the big one right there. Look how nice this is, guys. I could just sit here all day like down there.
It's blue.
So cute. Could keep walking this way, I guess. Bumpy, not pathy like. Back onto another path. Oh, somebody and her dog.
Oh.
We end up at another bridge. I can hear the water. Could keep going straight, but no, we're gonna go. Anyway. Look, Ava. Another little path that way. Ava's. Girl, what are you doing?
I just want some shade. It's hot out here today.
I love it.
You only love it because you want to get tan when you're white.
Ashley from Maple.
Hey, Ma, you got a cousin named Ashley.
Look, somebody had a little picnic going on here. They got their basket and everything. I don't know what they want. But there's my tree. I love that tree. We took so many pictures at that tree.
Yeah, we
There's
planted
another
it
path
right
we
there.
could go down, but another bridge. Oh, look at tranquility. Oh, Riparian Zone.
What does that mean? Oh,
You can go up that big old path, walk all the way up the hill. Look at it.
A groundhog.
Yeah, he's big. He's huge. Cascade Creek, Presque Bay.
I scared him.
Restoration project. I'm just doing some project. See, we have options. We can go this way. We can go this way. Hey, we're gonna go this way because back there's those slides.
But the slides are gonna be really hot.
Maybe not. I don't know. People are on them probably. Got more trees. That's cool. Look at the stuff growing straight up off those trees like that. It goes straight up.
Mom, can we take a break right here for a second?
What is that? Seedless green ash? What, Ava?
I want to take a break right here for a second. I need some shade. I'm hot.
Girl.
I'm gonna drink my water.
So breezy over here. Nice.
Yeah, it feels really nice.
All right, ready to get walking? Let's go. We're gonna cut through instead
Hey,
of
y'all.
go through. What?
All my mom needs is 2,000 more people.
Ava, go kick that soccer ball. Oh my God, you could be a soccer player. That's far. Look. Can't you got it in the goal?
I've always wanted to play soccer, but it's too scary.
Why? Trail up there. Look at that. People probably ride their bikes down there. I've seen it before. They're crazy.
I would do it.
No, I wouldn't let you do that.
Why?
Because look how pretty this looks. We're going up. There's the dome. So we're going in the shade. They have a hill. They have a path that goes up, or you can go down
Look
this
at the
one.
slides.
We're gonna go to this one so Ava can see what's going on with the
Look at
slides.
dog real quick.
Yeah, people are walking with their
I never
dogs.
passed
A
with the
couple.
dog.
Yep, a doggy. People can go up that way too. I don't know what's up there. We never walked up that way. There's the dome. People working out. And people at the slides. Griff. Wow, I'm done. And you could sit around all those right here. You see them? They're like stone. Just to like watch. Here's the slides. Ava, you gonna go up and down?
I'm gonna go down that wiggly slide.
Alright, leave it down here with me. I'm gonna record you.
Yeah, yeah.
Girl, you better stretch. I felt that for you. I was like that. Woo. Ready to watch stretches? Hello. Get ready.
Okay.
She stopped halfway down. Who was that? Why are you doing so fast? Yeah. Who was that? You gotta wait. That wasn't bad. You gotta wait. Why would you go? Like, go ahead and go. Slow motion, baby. Slow motion, baby. I love it. Okay, y'all ready?
Was that fun?
It's fast.
I know. They have a park here too. Oh, I'm tired. I need something to drink. A tennis court and everything. It's nice here.